Hey everyone, it's Byron with Team Fly Halo for your Motor Minute. On the Parajet here, and similar models, you've got a connection point here. You can see right here that has a little tiny zip tie that keeps this bolt from backing out. Although that's a good idea, sometimes in cold weather flying, as it is right now, it's about 10 degrees out, those can break. They become very, very brittle. So what I've done is I have replaced this one with a common slip ring. As you can see, slip ring is just what you would find on a keychain holder. You can get those down at Ace or any hardware store for, I don't know, 17 cents or so. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one, and when this one breaks, I do have a backup, and I will be replacing that. That's it. You guys fly safe. Have a good one.